right. Good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Cotto with your morning announcements. It's a wonderful Wednesday, January the 20th. Today is an A day. Please join me for today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right, happy birthday goes out to Andrea Paz. Andrea, we hope you have an awesome day filled with learning, love, creativity, friendship, all the good stuff. So happy birthday, Andrea. We hope you have a great day. All right, January word count competition. So again, this is where we're at right now. And again, we've got our leaders right there, Miss McGrew, Miss Patterson, and Miss Say3. All right. All right, calculator drop off. If you checked out a calculator for our exam, our ACT exam last month, make sure that you have returned these to campus as soon as possible. All right, re-register and earn a chip party. Again, the deadline to register is January 27th. Remind your parent to complete the form so you can earn your snack. All right. Refer a friend and win. If you know someone that wants to come to our awesome school, use this link to refer a friend today, and there is something in it for y'all as well. All right, volunteers are needed for our Super Recruitment Day, January 23rd, 9 to 4. Again, volunteers are needed. Sign up there at that link. All right, want to go over some schedule shifts really quick. That'll be beginning next week on the 25th, next Monday. So yeah, until then, we'll be following our same schedule, but I just want to give everybody a preview of what's coming around the corner. And with that, we'll take a look at middle school. Let's pause if we need to there. This will be our new middle school schedule coming around next week. All right. And again, we'll fill in the details as far as what Core 1, Core 2, Core 3 classes are as we approach next week. Same thing here with high school. We look at high school, look at our schedule there. This is what we'll be looking at next week. And again, as more details come, we'll be informing everybody between here and next Monday. All right. All right, attendance. Y'all know this is important. You can't get credit if you miss too many days. The law states that you have to be present at least 90% of the time. That equates to you not missing more than 18 days of school. So please be reaching out to us, your teachers via Teams. Anything you need to do to make sure that you're successful, make sure that you're reaching out to us because we want what's best for y'all. All right, proper mask use. On top is good. Want to make note of the nose right there. Down here is not. Again, want to make note of the nose right there. This is what we're seeing a lot of. It's not good. You're not being healthy. You're putting yourself and others at risk. All right, questions, text us at the number there during normal school hours. Again, follow us on Facebook there and follow us on YouTube as well to catch up on any announcements you may have missed. Again, before we move on with our goodbye, I just want to make note here that you will notice some schedule changes, everyone, some slight adjustment to the schedule today with the inauguration. We feel it's important to show you this. We feel it's important to mark this moment in history, so please pay attention. Your teachers, specifically your social studies teachers, but all of them as well, will have very insightful and thought-provoking things to tell you and teach you. So please open ears, open minds, open hearts as we go into today. With that said, y'all, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one tells you today, remember that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. All right, y'all. With that, it's time for Move This World. Have a great day, everybody.